you, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're new to this channel, you are highly welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove dark on the hands. Okay, now you can also use this remedy to remove dark patches. Alright, and it's just going to be perfect. So if you want to know what it comprises, please do continue watching, and don't forget to hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button, and also hit the bell right beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you want to ask me any questions, please do that on my website. The link will be at my description box and also at my comment section. Alright guys, let's dive into this video. So the first ingredient we're going to be needing here will be rice. Although we're not going to be using all of this rice, it's actually too much for just one use. It contains a natural anti-aging and oil-absorbing property. It is great for acne-prone skin, and it's also great for a dull, mature skin. It's perfect for whitening the skin. Alright guys, so here is the blended rice, and for this I'm going to be taking half tablespoon of that. So you can actually go blend your rice, okay, so it can be this blended. Now the next ingredient we're going to be needing will be baking soda or bicarbonate of soda. Now baking soda is a great exfoliant to the skin. It is great for blackheads and acne. It's also great for dry skin. It's also helps in moving bacteria from the skin, removing dark patches, pigmentations and rough edges. And also I'm going to be taking 1 tablespoon of the baking soda, which is bicarbonate of soda. Then I'm just going to be covering this up. Now we're also going to be needing some tomato. Now tomato contains a fairness property, and it also helps in balancing the pH level of the skin by reducing irritation and acne. It is a great remedy to leave the skin looking healthy and glowing. It treats. Now to get the tomato juice, I would love to grate it, okay? Alright, so for the tomato, I'm just gonna be blending it. Now I just need it to be really blended, like, okay, I'm actually gonna be grating it, guys. But if you can actually blend yours, okay, so it can be very smooth. And now we're gonna be needing some grapeseed oil. Alright, so for the blended tomato, I'm going to be pouring that into the rice powder and the baking soda. Now grapeseed oil is an excellent oil because it helps to tighten up or loose and sagging skin. It helps to shrink the size of the pores, and it also helps in getting rid of all unwanted blemishes, and it removes dark spots. And then I'm going to be taking a little quantity of the grapeseed oil, okay, into it, and this would help so freaking much in lightening up the dark on the hands. So now time to stir up the ingredients, okay? Alright, so here is the ingredients, and now we're gonna be using it. Alright guys, so how you're gonna apply this is that you're gonna take this and then you're gonna apply it at your underhands, okay? your dark underhands, and then you're going to give it a scrub, like give it a thorough scrub it really well, but not too hard, okay, so that you don't have to bruise your skin around that part. But of course the skin around that part is not as fragile as the skin on the face, so you have to scrub this, okay, and apply it much, then you scrub very well. Alright, so after you scrub for like 1 to 2 minutes, then you can, let it sit there and begin to lighten the darkness around your underhands naturally, okay, without any additional stuff, okay, or whatsoever. Now when you hold on for like 2 to 3 minutes, then you can go wash it off. Alright guys, so for this treatment you can actually store it, for a couple of days if you have to use it, continuously. It depends on how dark your underhands is, guys. You can use it for the space of 3 to 4 days, and after that you have to trash it, okay, so it does not go bad. When you want to make a new one, you have to prepare a new one altogether, and this is just going to be very effective. If you try this, you're going to be loving it, like really good, because it's gonna be very effective. So that's it, guys. Those are the ingredients, including the rice that you are gonna be using to get rid of dark underhands, and this is just going to be very effective, okay? So go try this out, and you have to give it a little days for it to work, so you have to be consistent, like apply it and apply it again and apply it again, and all of the darkness around there is just going to be gone, okay? So if you did love the video, hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to also hit the bell right beside the subscribe button, so you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you want to ask me any questions, guys, do that on my website. The link will be at my description box and also at my comment section. Alright guys, I'll see you soon in my next video, and stay beautiful. Bye guys.